to Call Me Dev Studio. 1 spoon of chicken rice. Watch it disappear.
Do not swallow yet. I am not in position. My route starts in 3 seconds.
Route, you are a blood cell. What route?
That spoon begins an 8-meter journey. It will not finish until tomorrow.
8 meters. Inside me, I am not even 1.5 meters tall.
Coiled up like a delivery route through a housing estate. Every centimeter has a job.
So food goes to my stomach and that is it. Done.
Oh, the stomach is stop number 3 of 5. It is barely getting started.
5 stops. Show me the map.
3 systems run this body. Digestive, respiratory, circulatory. They never work alone.
And you are the delivery service that connects them.
Fastest courier in the bloodstream. Now watch what happens to that rice.
Subscribe and stay tuned. By the end, you will trace your lunch through your whole body. Stop 1, Ruby. Where does the journey start?
Mouth. Teeth crush the rice. Saliva starts breaking it down chemically.
So chewing is not just for taste, it is step 1 of digestion.
Bigger pieces broken into smaller pieces. That is the whole idea of digestion.
Then it slides down. What is that tube called?
The gullet. It squeezes food downward. It works even if you stand on your head.
So gravity is not doing the work. My body is pushing it.
Muscles squeezing in waves. Stop 2 complete. I am on schedule.
Stop 3, the stomach. This is where nutrients get absorbed, right?
Wrong. And that is the exam trap half the cohort walks into.
But the stomach is the famous one. Everyone knows the stomach.
The stomach churns and mixes food with digestive juices. It breaks it down further, but almost nothing is absorbed there. Absorption happens at stop 4.
The small intestine. So the famous organ is not the important one.
Now, you sound like an examiner. The small intestine is where I collect my parcels.
Collect, meaning the nutrients cross into your blood.
Through the intestine wall, straight into the bloodstream. That is absorption.
And the small intestine is the long one, the 8 meters?
Most of it. Long means more surface. More surface means more parcels collected.
Step 5, what is left?
The large intestine. It takes back water from the leftovers. Then waste leaves.
Mouth, gullet, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, 5 stops in order.
Memorize that order. Examiners scramble it every single year.
Now the second system, breathing. What does that have to do with lunch?
Everything! Food is fuel. Fuel needs oxygen to release its energy.
So air comes in the nose. Then where?
Down the windpipe into the lungs. Inside the lungs are millions of tiny air sacs.
And that is where you pick up oxygen.
My favorite stop. Oxygen loads on. Carbon dioxide unloads. A swap at every sac.
So breathing out is a delivery too. You are dropping off waste gas.
Carbon dioxide out. Oxygen in. Then I sprint to the heart.
The third system, circulatory. You and the heart.
The heart pumps. I ride the blood. I carry oxygen and digested food to every cell.
Both! I thought blood only carried oxygen.
Another trap. Blood carries digested food, oxygen, and waste. 3 cargoes, 1 courier.
Quick check. Where are nutrients absorbed into the blood?
Let us pause here for 8 seconds.
The small intestine, not the stomach. I nearly said stomach again.
That 1 mark is now yours forever.
Where do I see these systems in real Singapore life? Show me.
You already felt it. That sleepy feeling after a big hawker center lunch.
The food coma? That is real science.
Blood flow increases to your digestive system. your brain gets a little less sleepy.
So my body redirected its delivery fleet. Priority routing.
Exactly how I would describe it. Finally, someone speaks courier.
What about running for the MRT? Doors closing, sprinting down the platform.
Your heart rate doubles. Your breathing doubles. Muscles are screaming for oxygen.
So all three systems speed up together.
They have to. More oxygen needed, more fuel needed, faster delivery required.
That is why I gasp at the top of the stairs at Buga Station.
You gasp because carbon dioxide is piling up. I cannot clear it fast enough.
What about training? My cousin says army training changed his breathing.
Training makes the heart stronger. A stronger pump moves more blood per beat.
So fitness is really about upgrading the delivery network.
Better roads, bigger trucks, same destination.
And when someone is ill, like when I had a bad cough last year,
Blocked airways mean less oxygen loading. Everything downstream slows down.
the systems are chained. One weak link slows the rest.
Never study them separately. The exam always links at least two.
One more. Why do doctors check pulse and breathing first?
Those two numbers tell you if oxygen is arriving. Everything else depends on it.
Pulse is the pump. Breathing is the loading bay.
You just explained an entire chapter in 2 sentences.
Subscribe so you do not miss the exam traps next. One of them catches almost everyone. Exam mode, Ruby. Show me the trap.
Trap 1. The order question. They scramble 5 organs and ask you to sequence them.
Mouth, gullet, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. I have it.
Say it out loud 3 times tonight. Order questions are free marks once memorized.
Trap 2.
The absorption trap. Where are digested nutrients absorbed into the blood?
The stomach. It feels right. It is the big famous one.
Stomach is a mixer, not a loading bay. Small intestine. Every time.
I fell for it again. That is how strong the trap is.
Half the cohort writes stomach. Write small intestine, and you are ahead.
Trap 3.
The cargo trap? What does blood transport around the body?
Oxygen. And digested food. And carbon dioxide waste.
All 3! Students who write only oxygen lose the mark.
Why do they only write oxygen?
Because oxygen is the famous one? Examiners build traps out of famous answers.
So, the trap is always the obvious answer. Check for the second half.
Now a real PSLE style question. Ready. A student runs a race. Explain how the digestive and respiratory systems help her muscles.
Everyone think. 2 systems, 1 answer.
Let us pause here for 8 seconds.
Digestive gives digested food for energy. Respiratory gives oxygen to release that energy. And the blood carries both of them to the muscles.
Full marks. You name the link. The link is where the marks hide.
3 traps spotted. The exam cannot sneak past us now.
And I made every delivery on time. Almost.
So today, 5 steps. Mouth, gullet, stomach, small intestine, large intestine.
Absorption at the small intestine, never the stomach.
Oxygen loads in the lungs. Blood carries food, oxygen, and waste.
And the 3 systems never work alone. That is the whole chapter.
Tonight, try this. Sit still in time how long you can hold your breath. Then run 20 steps and try again. Write down both numbers.
The second number will be smaller. Your body just switched to emergency delivery.
Because my muscles used up oxygen faster. The system had to catch up.
You just measured your own respiratory system with a stopwatch.
Ruby, your delivery countdown. How did it end?
On time. First time all day. That rice reached every cell that needed it.
And the route is complete. Same time tomorrow. If If you found this useful, subscribe for more free PLE tips every week. See you next time!